love seeing young people coming in with no real skills, go through the course. I love seeing them mature. I love seeing them having self-confidence. Hutchies Training delivers Certificate 1 in construction to Year 11 and Year 12 school students and to school leavers. Typically each year we'll run through about 75 students in the different programs here, of which about 80% will end up getting a job in the construction industry. So the area we have here is on site. We have a little classroom, we have a little container with some tools and another container with some materials in, and then we've got a work area. A lot of it is about employability skills. So it's about learning to be here on time, to communicate, to talk to people, to look them in the eye, say hello and shake their hands.
Well, I always liked carpentry, but I wasn't sure if I liked plumbing or electrical because I hadn't tried it. But throughout the course I got to talk with subbies and work with them and get a feel for all trades, and then I was certain that I wanted to do carpentry. In the long term I hope to go into a site management role. If you think getting into trade-related work, just do as much work experience as you can with different trades, get experience for everything and find out what you like.
My hope for the students is that they get a job in the construction industry and a career that they can build on for the rest of their life.